Transforming your backyard into a personal haven is like sculpting a masterpiece, but instead of clay or paint, you're working with nature's canvas. Picture this: a sanctuary where relaxation and joy intertwine seamlessly, where the stresses of the day melt away and every corner beckons you to unwind. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, let's turn that dream into a reality. Today, I'm here to guide you through the labyrinth of backyard revamping, armed with ideas that'll spark your creativity and set your imagination on fire. From Zen retreats to timeless elegance, we're diving deep into the world of outdoor sanctuaries, where every detail is carefully curated to transport you to a state of bliss. First up, let's talk about Zen. Picture yourself strolling through a Japanese garden, the sound of trickling water serenading your senses as you find solace in the simplicity of nature. To achieve this Zen feel in your backyard, think low decks, built-in bench seating, and landscaping that mirrors the tranquility of a Zen garden. It's all about creating harmony between indoors and outdoors, blurring the lines between man-made structures and the natural world. Next on our journey is the realm of timeless design. Imagine stepping into a garden straight out of a Jane Austen novel, where simplicity reigns supreme and elegance knows no bounds. Here, you'll find yourself surrounded by understated seating, meticulously manicured landscapes, and vintage garden decor that whispers tales of bygone eras. Weathered planter urns, ivy-clad walls, and sprawling lawns come together to create an ambience that's effortlessly sophisticated yet welcomingly familiar. But perhaps you're craving something a bit more modern, a space where conversations flow as freely as the wine and laughter. Enter the conversation area, where a fire pit patio takes center stage, beckoning guests to gather round and share stories long into the night. Surround yourself with tropical plants, vibrant flowers, and cozy seating, and let the worries of the world fade into the background as you bask in the warmth of friendship and good company. Now let's talk about embracing nature in all its glory. Your backyard is a blank canvas, waiting to be adorned with the beauty of the natural world. Whether you're blessed with mature trees, a gentle hillside, or a babbling brook, let these features guide your design choices and enhance the tranquil setting that nature has already provided. It's all about working with what you've got and letting Mother Nature take the lead. Of course, no backyard oasis would be complete without a touch of polish and refinement. Picture yourself lounging by the pool, cocktail in hand, surrounded by clean lines, lush greenery, and the soft glow of strategically placed lighting. It's a scene straight out of a luxury resort, yet it's all yours to enjoy whenever the mood strikes. With a poolside seating area, a patch of perfectly manicured lawn, and just the right amount of shade provided by strategically placed trees, your backyard will become the envy of the neighborhood. But what about those of us who love to roll up our sleeves and get our hands dirty? Fear not, my fellow DIY enthusiast, for there are plenty of projects to sink your teeth into. From building your own fire pit, to crafting a cozy daybed where you can while away the hours with a good book, the possibilities are endless. So grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and let's turn that blank canvas into a masterpiece of your own making. And finally, what backyard oasis would be complete without a touch of Hollywood glamour? Picture yourself snuggled up under the stars, popcorn in hand, as your favorite movie plays out on the big screen. With an outdoor projector, a framed screen, and plenty of comfy seating, you can transform your backyard into your very own outdoor movie theater. So grab your friends, cue up your favorite flick, and let the magic of cinema transport you to far-off lands without ever leaving the comfort of your own backyard. In the end, creating a backyard oasis is about more than just rearranging furniture and planting flowers. It's about tapping into your imagination, embracing your personal style, and crafting a space that speaks to your soul. So whether you're drawn to the tranquility of a Zen retreat, the timeless elegance of a bygone era, or the modern comforts of a conversation area, remember to follow your heart and let your creativity guide you. After all, the key to a truly spectacular backyard oasis lies within you. So go forth, my friends, and may your revamping endeavors be as rewarding as they are rejuvenating. Thank you for watching, and as always, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Happy revamping. Thank you.